Shalom everyone! Welcome again here in Israel, and right now we are inside the bus, and we are in Mifratz, Haifa. And on this video I want to show you one of the longest tunnel here in Haifa. It's called the Haifa Tunnel, and it connects Mifratz Haifa to Matam Haifa. So it was constructed I think year 2000, early 2000, and it was officially completed and open to traffic 2010. But ayan, papasok pa lang tayo. So you could see that the Haifa is a mountainous place, and you could see it's a limestone mostly. And here you could see the different kinds of roads. Talagang napaka-amazing ng Israel dahil nga sa mga mountains, so they will find ways para maging okay yung mga road and daanan para mas lalong magkaroon ng mga shortcuts para mapabilis yung travel dito sa Israel. So ayan, and I want to show you one of the tunnel. Na-amaze ka dito kasi nga it's a mountain, but they will find ways para mas pa-shortcut. As syempre, ang tunnel na ito was built by engineers to deal with the challenges, especially yung hindi ka na makapunta hindi ka na papasok ng city. So if you want to avoid the traffic congestion, tama ba, congestion, you could come on this tunnel to make the shortcut. So anyway, so ito na po yung tunnel, mga kapatid. Napaka-amazing. So it is already part of Carmel Mountains. So it's hard limestone or chalk, and you can see it's a little bit long, but the engineers find ways to make this way accessible, and maganda po yung ventilation ng tunnel na ito. So anyway, have a blessed day po sa ating lahat. God bless all of us.